And so let's start with what is the Pareto principle. Now, Italian economist Vilfredo Pareto came up with this concept, and it was all around the land in Italy. Essentially, 80% of the land, as you can see here, was owned by 20% of the people. And actually, when you start to extrapolate further, you realize that 80% of the world's wealth is controlled by 20% of the people, which is a really scary fact. Now, Eloise, you've read the 80-20 book quite recently. What are your thoughts?
80% of the people that talk about the Pareto principle have not read the book. 20. But the important thing is to know that the real point is 80% of the outcomes will come from 20% of the efforts. We are looking for the wins that make a difference, and we want to avoid busy work. That's fundamentally what the 80-20% principle goes through in excruciating detail. We're here to give you the quick fix that will make the difference, right? Why read the book when you get me and Nathan to walk you through the ideas?
It's like an improved version of Blinkist. You can just condense all your books just here and now.